farmer keeps hens on his farm. The pictogram then shows the number of eggs that the farmer collected on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday last week. And then this symbol then represents 12 eggs. Okay. Now, with the pictogram, okay, it is often divided up nicely, and you can see here it's actually divided into 6 equal sectors. Yeah. So if it represents 12, the whole thing, you can work out what each sector is worth. Okay. You just got to share the 12 by the 6 sectors. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So each sector there is worth 2 eggs. Okay. So when you read the question, it says what percentage of the total eggs from Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday were collected on the Tuesday? In order to work out the percentage of the total, you need to first of all work out what the total is. Okay. So if we look at Monday, well, there's, I don't need to write 2 on all of them. We know that a complete key symbol there represents 12. So we've got 12 there, 12 here, and 12 here. So on Monday, 12, 12, and 12, 36 were collected. On a Tuesday, well, you've got 12 here for that complete symbol there. And then you've got, well, part of it, yeah, but remember we worked out that they are worth 2 each. So 12 and 2 makes 16 when you add them together, yeah? 12 plus 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. This last one then for Wednesday, 12 there, yeah? And now you've got 2 here, so there's 6 if you like there. We can write that there in total. So we've got 18 there, all right? So what I would do, because they want the percentage of the total eggs from Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, I'd work out the total eggs collected to start with, just by adding this up, right? For Monday, 36, Tuesday, 16, 18 for Wednesday. So you use your calculator, okay, rely on it, and it comes to 70 eggs here, okay? Now, what percentages of these were collected on Tuesday? Well, what you need to do then is to form a fraction, okay? The fraction that were collected on Tuesday. Well, we know a total of 16 were collected on Tuesday, so the fraction collected will be 16 out of 70. Okay, you need to think about that, what Tuesday represents as a fraction of the whole 3 days. 16 were collected out of the total of 70. So you get a fraction first. To change it to a percentage then, remember, change a fraction to a percentage, you just times by 100. So, on my calculator, I can just type that in as I see it. So the fraction button, 16 on top, 70 on the bottom, times then 100. If I press then equals, I get that. So I press the SD button and I get something sort of nasty-ish. But if I write down here, what have I got? 22, and then a decimal point, and then I've got 857. And there's no harm in writing down some of those numbers, okay? But perhaps we want to sort of be a bit more sort of cleaner in terms of our final result. So maybe we'll put that to 1 decimal place. So 22.9 that will be, won't it? We'll go 1 decimal place because we chop off all the other numbers. Because that's a 5, that rounds up to a 9. So don't forget then to put a percentage in at the end. So 22.9% of the eggs were collected on Tuesday.